Hi, this is David Andrew from Capital Partners Private Wealth Advisors, and I just want to give you a bit of an update on how we're thinking about the coronavirus and how it's unfolding. We first heard about the coronavirus, of course, on the 31st of December, and since then, as of today, there's 20,000 cases reported and over 450 deaths, which is very sad. And markets are responding in quite a confused way. Markets since the 31st of December are down by 2.11%, which is not significant in the scheme of things. We've seen many periods of a month where markets have dropped by much more. It's a great reminder, though, that markets don't like surprises, and in the absence of any consistent news, markets will respond to whatever they can find. We've only had 2 days in the last month where markets have either been up or down by 1%. For the most part, it's been bumping around, up by 0.5%, down by 0.5%. That doesn't mean that the news won't get hold of it and dramatise the situation and in the attempt to scare people and unsettle people. It is a great reminder, though, that no one has a crystal ball around financial markets. There were no one in this occasion will be able to look back and say, oh yes, we saw the coronavirus happening. It is nonsense. So I'm asking you to be quite cynical about the newsreels that you see and what you read in the newspaper, with people trying to predict what the future is going to look like in respect of this particular crisis. What I want you to know is that every single Capital Partners client's portfolio is built with these sorts of shocks in mind. We don't know when they are going to happen, we don't know how serious they are going to be, nor do we know how prolonged they are going to be, but we absolutely take it into account when we're building your portfolio. This is where your asset allocation is so important. Many of you will have heard us talk about the buckets approach, where we have short-term, medium-term and long-term investments, and that is the entire system that we rely on to ensure that you can withstand these shocks to financial markets, but also your portfolio. It's times like this, and they can be quite unsettling, that I want you to know that we're here to have a chat if there's something you want to talk about, and we will keep you posted as events unfold. Thanks for listening.